Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisha, and today's video is going to be so much helpful for all of you guys who want to take admission in Franklin and don't know the process, or in fact pata hai thoda and you are confused like what should you do first, means how to start the procedure or the process of taking admission. So I'm just clearing out all of your doubts and just going to say the whole information or whole process of taking admission in Franklin. So let's get started. So starting with the first point, that is from what you start. Okay, so you just have to go on their official website, that is Franklin, www.franklininstitute.com, something will be like that. You have to go to their official website. Then after, you just want to there are some options like courses and placements, like not placements, sorry, but the courses and even some options are there. So you have to just go on courses offered, and there are air hostess training, means it is means management and something was like that. So you have to go there and you have to just take information from there. Okay, or one simplest method I will say you guys that I have experienced, that you can just directly call them to get the information, to get the date. मतलब कभी आप ले सकते हो admission, means what is the date. So you can call them and directly talk with them. There is no need to be like for waiting. So it is another thing, and you can just means I'm saying you this is it is so directly thing that you can go on their website, I said, and after that you get the information about the fee structure and all. They doesn't mention the whole things properly, I guess, but I am thinking that you should directly talk and you will get the confirmation that from where the from when the admission will get start, from when you have to just go, or it will be offline, online, or whatever. So you just need to collect the information by calling them. It is so simple as you can do it directly. So starting with another point, and that is that after like calling and all, they will just first thing they will say you that there is an offer or something like that, that you will get some discount or something like that. Means they are trying to just like enrolling you. That's not our point, but my thing is that you will get all the information. So starting with another thing is that when you will get the information will be of how you should take the admission or what is the procedure of the admission. They will directly say you to just come or where the Franklin is. If you are belonging from Maharashtra, I will say you two places where you can join Franklin. It is in first in Andheri, and another one is in the Borivali. Borivali and Andheri, these two places have the Franklin Institute. It is so beautiful, and the infrastructure, the everything which they provide is also so much good. And talking about the fees and all, I will just share all these things with you guys in this video only. So don't like go anywhere and just listen. So another thing is that means if you are talking about the requirements, what they require to go means to join or to take your admission. So first thing that you should be what? You should be 17 years minimum. You should be minimum 17 years, then only you can join Franklin, and you should pass your 12th. It is required, so called required thing which Franklin website shares by itself only, that you have to pass 12th and your minimum age should be 17 to 24. Like 24 is the maximum age, I guess. I have searched a lot and I have collected all the data, so I can share with you guys, and it's my personal experience as well. So another thing is what yeah, that you have to be 17 and then only you can join Franklin. So talking about the next point, that is how you can join. Like after going on the place, For example, if you're from Maharashtra, you will go Borivali or Andheri. The both places, Franklin Institute, you can visit, you can see the infrastructure, you can see the classrooms, you can see everything, and after that you will be able to collect the information, or you will be thinkable, like you can decide that you have to take the admission or not. And after that you just need to what they will say means they will just ask about your information. They will take your Aadhaar card xerox and everything, because the documents are there. You have to just means give them. And another thing which they will see, it is like a cabin crew requirement, like as we have saw so many things about the cabin crew, that cabin crew's requirements are different. Like it is they check their scars, marks and everything, so they will check. You should not have, but you can ask them that I will take some time, but I will get recovered, or I will see it to doctor or something like that. Then they will take your admission. So first thing, I will just recap things that how you can take the admission. So first thing, you just have to go to their official website. You can email them, you can call them, or you can just collect the information about when or how you can join. So you just, after that they will say you to just come or visit to their official what institute. So you have to go there with your parents, or you can go by with your friends or alone as well. There is no problem. And then after, they will just try to collect the information from you, means your English. There should be a basic English which you should know, and you should be 12th pass, and your minimum age should be 17 to 24. And another thing will be that you should not have any scars, visible scars or anything. And your height and weight will be also matter. Weight doesn't matter that much, your height will matter, because minimum height should be above 155 I guess, or 150 something, means as the requirements of the cabin crew. Means they doesn't provide you 100% job placements, but they will just help you out for the means you can become cabin crew. They will not ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब भाई तुम requirement पूरी नहीं कर रहे हो and you will be, we are making sure you that you will be. No, nothing like that. They, in starting only, they will ask you your height and everything like that, and that's what's the procedure for taking admission. And the basic thing that you need is to be qualified 12th plus, not plus but 12th at least. And that's all for today's video guys. अगर आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हो, informative लगी हो, then you can just do like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who want to join Franklin but they are quite confused or something like that. They doesn't know the information, so you can share with all that. And that's all, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.